So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are in the third module and it's a very easy module, so just follow as I am doing. First of all, make sure you have completed the first and second module. Now here will be just first let me close the existing tabs and then only we'll start. So here basically we have to simply accept the connection. So just click on the launch option, and if you haven't completed the previous module, make sure to check the playlist. I have uploaded all the videos. And now here you can just come to the quick find, and from here only you have to just type this and then click on it. Now wait for it to get opened. It's again taking some time. Now here you can see we have to simply click on I agree and then just click on approve. So just click on the approve option. It will take some time, and now we are done with this particular task. Now come over here and verify the points, and that's how we completed it. For other remaining courses and previous courses, you can always check the playlist section. Do like the video and subscribe the channel guys, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Wait for the verification to get completed and then we'll end the video. And make sure to hype the video also. So finally we are done. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. Have a great day ahead.